Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna do a little vlogging. We have been snowed in for 4 days now, and I am getting a little crazy. I'm getting a little cabin fever sitting in this apartment. So we are going to go out today. Hopefully we can get this truck out because it's still a little bit snowed in, but we'll see how that goes. I've got some packages I've got to send off. Made a few sales online, and we're also going to go to the mall and get something to eat. So yay! It's time to come spend a day in the life of a gypsy housewife and her husband. Let's go! The sign above my door says blessed, so that you're always blessed when you come in and blessed when you go out. This is what the snow is looking like today. It is finally starting to somewhat melt down. This looks disgusting. Not sure I really want these Uggs out in that, but yeah. Still looking pretty, but it's starting to get yucky. Ew. Crunchy. Hope I don't fall today with this blessed leg I have. There's somebody parked behind us again. Well, we have to heat up the truck for a while anyway, right? So, this is why we haven't left in a while, because it's covered in snow, and there's been snow behind us for quite a few days. Oh my God, Alan. Look at this pile over here. I'm sure I can, but wow. The truck bed is full of snow. Oh my God. Oh, it's so soft feeling. Yeah, that looks like it's gonna work real nice. Hopefully we'll be able to get out of here today. I've got a Starbucks machine in this office, so I think I'm going to get me a hot chocolate. Already done. Yay! We are just sitting in the office while the truck warms up. Well, we were fixing to leave, but change of plans, and I guess I should add this in because it is a real day in the life. So while we were in the office, letting the truck warm up, Alan's uncle asked him to help him with something, so he might be coming over here, and I'm gonna be truthful with y'all. I did not clean the apartment today because I was being lazy, but now that I know I have company, girl, I've got some cleaning to do. So I'm going in the apartment now. I'm gonna clean up a little bit, and then we're going to go to the mall and do everything we were supposed to do, and then meet up with his uncle after. So I actually started cleaning up and forgot to film it. I was like, that would have been a perfect opportunity to show you guys how quickly I can clean when I think I have guests coming over, especially if I haven't cleaned for the day. I will just say, nothing makes a woman clean faster than the thought of someone coming into her home. You will get up real quick and start cleaning really fast and get it done, right? My window's a little frosty, but look, Alan finally made it out of the snow. So now we are finally in the truck, and we are going to the mall. And the reason we're going to the mall is because we made a return the other day, and the cashier messed up our return. She actually made a boo-boo, so we've got to go fix it. It's super snowy outside, but thankfully all this snow is going to melt and get out of my face soon. we're just shooting through the Lamborghini lot because Alan wanted to check out some Lamborghinis. And this is an all-white Lamborghini covered in snow.
It's actually silver, but you can't tell.
Say what? So now I'm heading up in the FedEx office because I don't have a printer and I need to use their printer. So that's where I'm going right now. Boop. Here I am in the FedEx office looking like a professional computer girl. Waiting for this computer to load. It charges by the second or the minute. So I need to hurry up really quickly. I should probably just invest in a printer because that would probably save me a lot of time and money, but I just haven't done that yet. So I hit up the FedEx.
Right over there?
What? Where?
The payway?
Yeah, let's go. I'm always down for food, honey. So, okay, now we're gonna go get some payway. Good idea. Because I am starving. I'm always starving. Think I can make it through?
Yeah.
The Winter Wonderland.
2 individual lettuce wraps.
So I got some chopsticks. I got some oranges because I always like to get some oranges from Payway. I got 3 fortune cookies, 1 for good luck. Oh, and there's Alan. We've got some silverwares here, and we are ready. And we are ready to eat. So these are the lettuce wraps, and then we got the honey seared chicken.
Chicken and stuff.
Yeah, we need more sauce, huh? Huh?
Definitely.
So good.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. That's a big spoon. I like that from a cereal. Okay. It's time to find out our fortunes. So we have 3. I'm gonna say this one's mine, this one's Alan's, and this one is for my viewers. Your fortune of the day is opportunities surround you if you know where to look. This was yours? Oh, I don't think so. Oh, no. I don't think so. A passionate, this was actually y'all's. I'm sorry. This one was Alan's. This is y'all's. It says a passionate new romance will appear in your life when you least expect it. That's not yours. This is y'all's, okay? All right. Here's mine. All right. This is my fortune. The secret of vast riches begins with a single penny. Isn't that the truth? And now, it's time to clean the mess. Yep, not only do I clean my kitchen at home, but when I go out to eat, and I don't care where it's at, I clean up my mess. Where are we going now?
Drop off the packages at the post office.
Oh, God, I forgot about that. What you want to do after?
I don't know. gas.
Did you just say get gas?
Yeah.
This is Lady Luck Tutorials reporting live from her couch. So, welcome to another episode of Gypsy Wife Life. Here I am sitting on the couch by myself. So we ended up stopping and getting gas on the way home, and then Alan's uncle texted and said he was on his way. He got here really quick, and they just left. So I was actually going to go with them, but they were going to pick up like a big piece of furniture, and Alan's uncle needed help moving the furniture, and the vehicle didn't have any room. So they just went to go get it, and I'm sitting here by myself, and I'm thinking like, what else can I do in this daily life vlog? Like, I'm being so real with y'all today. Like, today, everything that I've showed is pretty much exactly everything that has went on, except there was a lot of things I didn't record, just like me cleaning and stuff, and a lot of driving and whatever. But here I am. This is real life. I'm sitting here by myself now, and I'm just trying to think, what else can I add to this vlog? So, since the last time I recorded, I spent over an hour on the phone with my mom and dad. And then I spent probably an hour and a half editing a video and doing a voiceover. And I literally just finished. And I feel so like blah. Anyways, so my husband's not back yet. And I just walked in my room and noticed that one of my cats is on the bed. But where is my other girl? Huh? Have you been in here sleeping this whole time? Is that all you do is sleep? Are you a queen? She thinks she's literally the queen of this home. But I gotta find her sister. Cookie, where did you come from? You were not sitting there the whole time. Don't even try to pretend that you were. Okay, so this is the end of our daily life vlog, and we just wanted to say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you're always notified when I upload a new video. And leave me some comments and give this video a like. And we'll see you next time.